friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about birds. We see unique birds, but I am going to tell you 7 birds. Now while you are watching my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Let's continue our video. Ostrich. Ostrich is nothing but who lays the big egg. It is recorded the big egg layer. Like this. Pigeon. Pigeon is nothing but we see in our daily life. We have 2 types of pigeons. Like this too. One is white pigeon, second one is black and shaded. Night owl. Owl is nothing but it will be scared us. Its sound and its eyes will be scared us. Cuckoo. Cuckoo is the greatest singer in the world. Its voice and its eyes also attract us. That's why this cuckoo is recorded the beautiful bird singer in the world. Eagle is the biggest bird in the world, but it eat all the bird's flesh. That's why this eagle recorded the dangerous bird in the world. Peacock is our national bird. This bird dances very nicely and this bird have so many feathers like with green and shadish blue. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye.